So once you add the little olive oil and you let the water cook down, this will create your fried kale greens. You guys, look at that. No oil and no water. You definitely will enjoy this, you guys. Hi guys. So we are roasting. No, I'm sorry. We are sauteing some veggies. You guys, we have the sweet peppers going on with onion and roasted garlic. You guys. So we added some roasted garlic. You guys. Some green seasoning. So yes, that is in there along with black pepper. So we are giving this a fry because we're gonna add us some delicious kale greens in this recipe. Does that not look delicious? So we adding some kales in here, and we're gonna let these cook down. So we're gonna give these greens a stir, and we're gonna bring what's at the bottom to the top. We didn't add anything in here other than oil, olive oil, because we're going to continue this platform until we get just the right amount. So fast, you guys. So we're going to add us another layer of seasoning. We have our green seasoning. And we're going to add black pepper. Now this is a great recipe to help get your vitamins in. Your veggies in. Look at all that deliciousness. And we're going to add a few more greens. And these are some delicious Kale greens, you guys. So guys, take a look at these greens. Oh my goodness. Now as you guys can see, juice come off it. You see all of this garlic flavor that's down in here. I have some roasted garlic up in here, along with, like I said, an onion, sweet peppers, and yeah, we have some green seasoning. And you guys, this is a terrific skillet of sauteed Kale greens, and it will be so good if you put some cornbread with it. You know, if you're vegan, use your vegan way, and if you're not, hey, get you some cornbread and you have a delicious meal, you guys. If you could smell the aroma. So we'll let this cook on down. And that's pretty much it. You just want to watch it. You just want to watch it. All these flavors mixing together. If you never tried it, I would suggest you try it. I would not stir a recipe I have not tried. You guys, this is a pan full of deliciousness. Okay, at this point, I am going to try some Red Hot Original Season Blend. It's good for veggies as well as your meats of your choice. And we're going to shake it on up. Get all that flavor in there. Let's see. We don't want it too spicy because our Carter might want to try it. So let's go ahead and mix that on up in there. You can add whatever you like to it at this point. I typically will add crushed peppers, but since I'm trying the Red Hot Season Blend, we're going to float with that. Like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. You guys, it smells so good. And all we're going to do is just let this cook on out. You guys, that's the only steps you need to really take. You might hear a little chirping. That's my battery and a different smoke detector. Pay no mind. So once you add the little olive oil and you let the water cook down, this will create your fried kale greens. You guys, look at that. No oil and no water. You definitely will enjoy this, you guys. Okay, guys. So we done render a lot of the juice and the water out of here, as you see. I hope you guys can see. So we just letting it, the juice run its course, because our next step is we're gonna add a little more olive oil. And we're going to stir that on in here. It's going to give it one heck of a shine. Make your food look so delicious. You guys. Like I said, this is, you can call it a stir fry. You can call it steamed greens. Because I notice a lot of people call it different things. So, hey, I know how to cook them. So don't forget, like, comment, and share below with everyone, because this is a terrific meal to get in some of your vitamins at a time like this. And yeah, just to eat, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And leave a comment below so your girl can know where to go. But meantime, and in between time, try my different recipes and go to my playlist and check out some other ways you can enjoy different types of greens. I have collard greens, I have turnips, I have mustards and turnips, I have just about every green it is. Cabbage, whatever. Go check it out, you guys. Hey. Like I say, I'm no pro, but I definitely enjoy the kitchen. So sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.